Hi guys, welcome to our DIY video. So maybe everyone we have faced such kind of problems in our kitchen. Sometimes we have a broken holder, sometimes we have a broken handle of the pots. And if you want to buy this, so you have to pay almost 12 to 15 euros. So as you can see on the Amazon right now. So as an engineer, I would say it's a really nice thing if you can design and you can print by using the 3D printer, and it's not gonna cost you more than 1 euros. So in this video, we are gonna design this first in the SolidWorks, and then we are gonna print it by 3D printer. So let's start the video. So right now I'm into the SolidWorks, and first of all I need to select a plane. So I'm gonna select a front plane, then I'm gonna go into the lines, and I want to select a center line. So I'm drawing a first center line into the middle because I want to use a center line for the revolved base or base, and then I'm gonna go into the spline, and I want to design a spline on the left side of the center line. So I would just design one side of the holder, and then I'm gonna use revolve boss or base, and it's gonna rotate all around the center line. And then I need to made a vertical line on this side because I want to made a dimensions how height it I want, and then I need to made a baseline. So now after clicking the green check mark, I can go into the smart dimension tool, and then what I can do is I can control the width of the holder, like how wide I want to have, and then I can just check the height. I can click the green check mark, I can go into smart dimensions again, and I can control the height of the holder. So you can choose whatever the values, and then let's click the green check mark. Okay, and after that I would go into the features, and I would go into the revolve base or boss feature. So it's gonna rotate this whole shape around the center line. Look at that. So in this way quickly we can made our holder. And now one more thing, like because we want to fix it with the lid, so we need a hole. So that's why I'm gonna go into the base or bottom surface of this holder, and then I'm gonna go and take a circle, and I'm gonna draw a circle in the base. So at the origin, so we can see the origin here, and then I'm gonna go into the smart dimensions tools. I can give dimensions to this circle, how wide, what is the diameter I want for this circle, because later on I want to screw it and fix it with a lid. So I can put my values manually, and I can choose the units as well in this pop-up. And after that I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then I want to cut this hole. So that's why I'm gonna go into the extruded cut. So it's gonna extrude top or bottom, so you can change the direction. So I'm just gonna give my dimensions how deep I want to cut this, and then I can give my dimension and click the green check mark. We can have a hole here, as you can see here. Okay, after having this hole, what we can do is, as you can see, like we can control multiple things. If you want to design some other stuff, we can. But now what I want to do is I want to save it, and I want to bring it to the slicer. So we have, like, there is a software Prusa slicer. No matter what kind of 3D printer you have, you are going to have a software. So for that you need to save this as a STL file. As you can see, I'm going to save STL file for this. And then for the all bodies, so how many bodies you have right now in the SolidWorks, I'm gonna save it for the all bodies. Okay, so after saving the file, I'm gonna go into the Prusa slicer. This is a software from the Prusa 3D printer, and then I'm gonna import the file. So wherever you have saved your file, you can import into the software, and then I can select the file, import, and then I can just connect it with the base, because then in this way we are gonna have a nice print. And on the right side, you can see there are different options. What kind of print setting do you want? What kind of filament do you have? So do you want quickly? What is the quality of the print do you want? So as you can see, there are different options for the print setting and different for the material. And down under the bottom right window, you can see there is option slice now. So I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to slice it, and it's going to show me the time, how much time it's going to take. And then I'm going to export the G code, and then I can just run that G code onto the software by using the memory card or USB. So after saving, I'm going to go. So I already start the print on the printer. As you can see, we have a different printers. Maybe I can make a extra video to explain the differences between different printers. Or if you want to learn the designing, how you can learn the SolidWorks designing, I have over 10 hours of course. You can check the course link into the video where I explain each and every tool. So after completing the print, here you can see we have a final lid holder here. And it was so interesting DIY project. I really like it. And if you think this video is helpful, so you can like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Take care. See you with the next video.